Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show some amazing uses of baking soda for health and beauty benefits. Baking soda has been a steady pillar of home remedies since the 1900s. Most of the people know some or the other application of baking soda that is not related to cooking. While the multitude of cleaning hacks has made baking soda quite popular in housekeeping circles, it has plenty of health and beauty applications as well. Its versatility make it a must-have in any home, whether you bake or not. Here are some amazing uses of baking soda for health and beauty benefits. Number 1. Use of baking soda for whitening teeth. Using baking soda for whitening teeth is one of its most popular cosmetic applications. Baking soda simply acts as a fine abrasive agent that can scrub out the surface stains on your tooth enamel. Things you will need for this remedy: baking soda and coconut oil. Put 2 tablespoons of baking soda in a bowl. Put in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Stir to mix the ingredients into a uniform paste. Pour the mixture into an airtight container for proper storage. Put some of the baking soda coconut oil paste on your toothpaste and brush your teeth with it for about 2 minutes. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with warm water. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week for a few weeks or till you get the desired result. Number 2. Use of baking soda for blackhead removal. Use baking soda and sugar-based exfoliation to remove the sebum, dirt and dead skin cell deposits that clog the pores at the skin surface and end up manifesting into blackheads. Things you will need for this remedy: baking soda, granulated sugar and water. Put 2 tablespoons each of baking soda and sugar into a bowl. Put 4 tablespoons of water into the bowl. Stir the ingredients to mix them well. Pour the scrub into a container. Massage the scrub over the skin with blackheads for 2 to 3 minutes and then wash it off with water and pat dry. Use baking soda face scrub twice a week for 2 or 3 weeks to remove blackheads. Number 3. Use baking soda as a skin lightening agent. The combination of baking soda, lemon juice, coconut oil and tea tree oil can be especially beneficial for lightening dark skin. These ingredients erase acne scars, dark spots and blemishes and improve the skin tone. Things you will need for this remedy: baking soda, lemon juice, coconut oil and tea tree essential oil. Put 2 tablespoons of baking soda into a small bowl. Pour 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into the bowl. Add half teaspoon of coconut oil to it. Add 5 or 6 drops of tea tree essential oil. Mix the ingredients well to make a smooth paste. Spoon the paste into a small airtight container for storage. Apply a small amount of the paste over the skin area to lighten it. Let it set for 1 to 2 minutes and then scrub the skin gently with your hands. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat dry. Repeat the process 2 or 3 times a week for at least a month to get significant results. Number 4. Use of baking soda for body odor removal. When it comes to deodorizing, baking soda does it like a pro. If you are struggling with foul body odor, give this mix of baking soda and cornstarch a try. Things you will need for this remedy: baking soda and cornstarch. Put 1/4 cup each of baking soda and cornstarch into a container. Mix the ingredients well with a spoon. Spoon the DIY body odor removal powder into an old talcum powder jar for convenient storage and ease of application. Clean and dry the skin of armpits and other sweat-prone areas and sprinkle the DIY powder liberally to put a check on foul body odor. Number 5. Use of baking soda for tightening large pores. Large pores are a genuine beauty concern for many. Baking soda can help you manage large pores on your skin. Put some baking soda into a small bowl. Add a little lukewarm water to make a loose paste. Apply the paste on the affected skin. Massage the area with your fingertips in gentle circular motions. Rinse off the paste with cold water to shrink the clogged pores. Pat dry and apply a light moisturizer. Repeat once a day for 1 week. Once the situation comes under control, you may opt to repeat this process once or twice a week to maintain the small size of your pores. Number 6. Use baking soda as a dandruff treatment. Baking soda, when combined with lemon juice, make for an effective remedy to clear dandruff. Things you will need for this remedy: baking soda and lemon. Take some baking soda in a small bowl and squeeze some lemon into it. Mix the ingredients well to make a spreadable paste. Apply the paste on your scalp with cotton balls and massage the paste into the roots. Let the paste sit for 5 or 10 minutes. Rinse the hair clean with plain water. Follow this remedy once a week for 1 month to get best results. People with extremely oily and itchy scalp may repeat the remedy twice a week. Number 7. Use baking soda as a heat rash treatment. If the warm weather has greeted you with heat rashes, use baking soda to help you cool down. It also provides relief in the painful itch associated with heat rash. Put 2 tablespoons of baking soda in 2 cups of water. Stir well to dissolve the baking soda in the water. Dip a soft towel into the bowl and squeeze out the excess liquid. Place the wet towel over the heat rash affected skin. Hold the towel in place for 10 to 15 minutes. If the towel warms up in between, dunk it in the bowl, squeeze it out and apply again. Follow the remedy 4 or 5 times every day till the rashes go away. Number 8. Use baking soda as acne treatment. Baking soda as an acne treatment works especially well for people with oily skin types. It exfoliates and deep cleans the skin, removing dirt, sebum, and dead skin cells that clog the pores. Things you will need for this remedy: baking soda and coconut oil. Pour 1 tablespoon of virgin coconut oil into a small bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to it. Mix the ingredients well to form a paste. Spread a thin layer of the paste on your face, especially over acne-prone areas with a sterile cotton ball. Let it set for about 10 minutes and then wash your face with cold water and pat dry. Follow the remedy once a day for 1 week. You will start to notice a significant improvement within a few days of following the remedy. Number 9. Use of baking soda for whitehead removal. Baking soda is very effective in whitehead removal as it addresses the problem at its root by clearing out the pores clogged with sebum, dirt, and dead skin cells. Things you will need for this remedy: baking soda, honey, and lemon juice. Put 2 tablespoons of baking soda into a bowl. Pour 1 tablespoon of honey into the bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to it. Stir the ingredients well to form a smooth paste. Pour it into the container desired for storage. Massage the paste onto the whitehead affected skin for about 2 minutes. Let the paste sit for 15 minutes and then wash off with water and pat dry. Follow the remedy 2 or 3 times a week for 2 weeks to get rid of whiteheads completely. Number 10. Use baking soda as face wash. If you feel like ditching your current face wash in favor of a homemade alternative, which is natural and easy to whip up, this DIY baking soda face wash might be just what you need. Things you will need for this remedy: baking soda, coconut oil, tea tree essential oil, and lemon essential oil. Take 3 tablespoons of baking soda and pour 1 tablespoon of coconut oil into it. Add in 8 to 10 drops of tea tree oil and 3 to 4 drops of lemon oil. Stir the ingredients to mix them well. Spoon the baking soda face wash into an airtight jar for proper storage. For usage, take 1 or 2 teaspoons of the paste and massage onto your face with gentle circular motions. Wash off with lukewarm water and pat dry. Use as often as you would your normal face wash. Number 11. Use baking soda to get rid of greasy hair. Baking soda treatment can help you degrease your hair so that your mop no longer looks greasy and limp. Put some baking soda in a bowl and add some water to it. Mix the ingredients together to make a paste. Apply the paste on your scalp with a hair dye brush or simply with your fingers. Let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing it off with water. Repeat the remedy twice a week to manage greasy hair. Number 12. Use baking soda as face scrub. This gentle face scrub recipe is used for a thorough exfoliation. Things you will need for this remedy: baking soda, powdered oatmeal, and green tea. Put 2 tablespoons of baking soda into a bowl. Add 1/4 cup of powdered oatmeal to it. Pour in 1/4 cup of green tea. Mix the ingredients thoroughly. Spoon the scrub into an airtight container for proper storage. Use baking soda face scrub once or twice a week to get clear and problem-free skin. Thanks for watching this video. Like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.